Asa, nung unang meet natin dito sa bahay, sabi ko talaga sa sarili ko na siguro sumasali to sa mga beauty pageants. Kasi sa look mo, paano mo dalhin ang sarili mo. Tapos nung nagsalita ka na, sabi ko, OA naman ito. Super unexpected na you'd be one of my bestest friends here. I realized na ang dami pala tayong in common. Katulad ng losing our dads very recently, ang pagmahal natin sa mga nanay natin. Nung naging final duo tayo, grabe. I saw a different AZ. I saw an AZ who had so much faith, who was a fighter, never going to give up. Naging big four na tayo. Grabe, I'm so proud of you. How much you've grown. You kept pushing till the end and always had faith in God. And me, I'm super proud na I was part of that journey also. I promise that I'll always be a big brother to you, even outside of this house. I'll always be there.
Rev, hindi ko ma-imagine yung journey ko or even other housemates na wala ka. That table, end of the table, I can't imagine you not being there. Ang laki ng impact mo sa loob ng bahay na to. Your story, your life story, sobrang inspiring siya sa akin. Because of you, I saw a different perspective in life. Nung tapatan, harap-harapan with the duo challengers, nilabas mo lahat ng nasa puso mo, nalabas mo. And you showed you talaga. Nasabi mo na you may have looked weak because you were crying a lot. Pero honestly, that was the strongest that I've seen you. You always want to be there for other people. You want to fill their cups. I'll always be here to fill yours. I promise to always be there when you need someone. I'll always be there to listen to you, like how you listen to me. I'll always be there to have faith in you.
Nung first few days, parang nahihirapan kang i-approach ang lahat. You didn't know what to say, you didn't know how to act. Pero that's when I knew na we were gonna be friends. Kasi pakiramdam ko para akong nakatingin sa salamin. Doon ko din nalaman na wala kang kumpiyansa sa sarili mo. You were full of self-doubt. I was really full of self-assurance. You really only came around nung nakuha mo yung red flag. Yung pinaka hindi nagpapakatotoo. Parang pakiramdam na parang nag-switch ka na lang bigla na unti-unti nagbaba ka ng walls, unti-unti nagtitiwala ka sa sarili mo. And I would say you became my best friend in the house. We were honest with each other and we really protected each other even when we weren't duos. Thank you, Mika. Thank you for keeping me in check. Siguro kung may mapapromise ako sa'yo, I know you have made mistakes in the past. If you like, things are starting to fall apart, I'll help you, pick up the pieces. So, thank you for sharing your heart, Mika.
Noong unang pagpasok niya ng mga kapamilya dito sa loob ng bahay, I just know na you have a wall. And tulad ko, nag-iingat ka din sa lahat ng sinasabi mo, sa lahat ng ginagawa mo. Sa pinakamahirap na moments ng journey ko dito sa loob ng bahay ko, yung kasama ko, which is nung naging task leaders tayo, first eviction, first nomination, kulang na lang. Pati pagkatao ko, bitbitin mo nung mga time na yon. And sobrang lakas mo, sobrang hanga ako sa'yo nung time na yon. Unti-unti ko din nakita sa'yo na bumababa talaga yung walls mo. Slowly, nakita namin yung kung paano ka umiyak, kung paano ka mag-express sa mga tao. Kahit sobrang nakikringe ka pagka pinapakita mo sa mga tao na may care ka, ramdam na ramdam talaga namin yung nakita namin kabutihan mo. And I'm always gonna be proud of you. I'm always gonna love you, proud of you, kung sino ka, and kung sino pa yung magiging ikaw.
Love you too, bro. Break a leg, bro.